Strong and reliable, the Economy Chafer series from Choice is the perfect go-to serving solution for food service operations. Not only is every chafer made out of stainless steel for maximum durability, but each chafer comes with a frame, water pan, food pan, cover, and fuel holders, so you'll have everything you need. This series offers both full and half-size chafers. The full-size model is available with either a standard, folding, or stackable frame. Each one features broad legs for ample stability and integrated side handles for easy carrying. The folding frame easily collapses for maximum space efficiency, while the stackable frame nests with others. Each cover easily lifts from its food pan with a long, comfortable handle, and beneath the pan, the fuel holders ensure that heat is properly distributed for quality hot holding. Crafted for convenience and durability, Choice Economy chafers are sleek, professional, and perfect for commercial use.